Good morning. Here's how I get ready for school. After taking a shower, I gently pat my skin dry with a towel. Then I start my personal care routine. I brush my teeth, wash my face with a gentle cleanser, then apply moisturizer to keep my skin hydrated, letting it absorb to my skin before doing my makeup. Once I finish my makeup, I dry my hair some more. Then I wear my school uniform. After that, I put on my perfume to smell good throughout the day, and then I brush my hair and head out the door for school.
Firstly, you should bring mouthwash to keep your mouth fresh. Secondly, you should bring wet wipes to remove the sweat to avoid body odor, which is dirt stick.
Thirdly, you should bring at least a fresh fragrance or a fresh body mist. Even while you're sweating, you're still smelling fresher than anybody. Last and most importantly, bring deodorant because this helps you avoid odor in your armpits.
What's good, everyone? We, the Manalawis, are back for another vlog.
Today we're going to eat our lunch at school.
Today's food is gulay.
It's a very healthy food because it contains nutrients.
It contains vitamin C, which boosts our immune system.
It also has vitamin A, which makes our eyes clear, and also our skin, which makes our immune system.
This is all for our today's short vlog. We
are
are the
the
Manalawis.
Manalawis.
Peace!